You need experience to get a job, but you need a job to gain experience.
Coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're
What's up guys, what's going on? Sankalp Rath here, and today we are answering the age-old question that chicken pehle aaya ya anda. Alright, no, that's not the question that we're answering. We're answering the question that I get at least out of 10 people that DM me, 2 people ask me this question every single time, that if you are a fresher, if you are somebody who's just starting out, or you are in the middle of your digital marketing, wala jo bhi, whatever that thing that you're doing, whether freelancing is a better way to go, or should you directly go embark in your in your own business or start something of your own. Alright. It's the same thing that comes into picture here, that whether if you want a job, you need experience to get a job, but if you want experience, you need a job to actually gain experience. Alright, so we will be answering a few questions which are fundamentally important if you're starting out. Before we get started, I just want to get one thing clear out of the way, that both of the things work. Alright, both of the things, if you're going freelancing route directly, it works. If you're going a business route directly, it works. But freelancing may, in order to get your few clients, start may, whatever thing that you're interested in you're doing, how do you get that? Why do you get that? Why should somebody work with you? This is the question that bothers a lot of people. Alright, so before starting out, another thing that I want to tell you is that both of these things are long game. Alright, both of the things are long game. ऐसा दोनों में घुस के मत सोचो कि अच्छा दिस इफ आई डू दिस, अच्छा आई विल गेट अ क्विक बक, मैं कल को ही $1000 कमाने लाऊंगा, इसमें करूंगा तो ये करने लगूंगा. ऐसा नहीं. बोथ आर लॉन्ग गेम्स. इट नीड्स अ लॉट ऑफ डेडिकेशन एंड परसिवरेंस. इफ यू आर नॉट विलिंग टू पे द अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम, इफ यू नॉट विलिंग टू put in the amount of work, commitment, dedication and everything, you're just thinking that the internet thing है, it will come, आ जाऊंगा यहाँ पे पैसे कमा दूंगा, मैं करोड़पति बन जाऊंगा, ये सब नहीं चाहिए. This is not it. Alright, this is a real game, real people working there, literal off, and you also need to be committed in both the elements that you go. Alright, freelancing ho ya starting your own business. So alright, so I also work with a lot of freelancers, and I also have a lot of workers who are based out of Germany, based out of India, based out of Philippines and everything. I have a lot of people who actually are I have VAs and everything. We do work with a lot of freelancers. So I will tell you my perspective of now that I hire somebody, now that I take on somebody, what are the things that I look for, and in the process, I'd also give you an idea of when I started out. I was also working odd jobs and small things for some bigger businesses. And what was the thing that I had an expertise of, I created an expertise in, so as to gain those works. All right. At this point, try to understand that. We are talking about only freelancing right now. So understand this. All right. So freelancing mein, the basic fundamentals of the amount of money, the amount of number of clients that you will acquire, you will get consistent amount of money is directly proportional to the amount of value that you provide and the amount of results that you can provide. Alright, results, when I'm talking about, this comes into all this social media marketing thing that is already gone so cliche. Itna log aake is sab mein they're doing so shitty jobs and everything. So it's very difficult now to actually find somebody who is good at it. Alright, so results in that. But achanak people like Tai Lopez and everybody has shown the world that this SMMA thing is so lucrative that everybody now tends to be a digital marketer, tends to be that I'm expert in Facebook ads and anything and everything, but tends not to have any much experience or everything. And people who actually do have experience, which I have a few freelancers who do a bit of managerial stuff in our accounts of our clients. They're really good at it. Matlab, they have been doing the same thing that I have been doing for the last 7 to 8 years. The same thing. Alright, they're as experienced as me, but they have chosen the route to be freelancers till now because they also have other clients as well who are willing to pay. We pay them a lot. They also have other clients who pay them a lot because they're really good at it. Alright, at this point, I take the decisions in our business. I take the kind of decisions, what are the kind of ads we run, what are the kind of ads that we run for the clients, what are the kind of graphic designs that we need to do for the ad copy and everything. But at this point also, they are also at par with the kind of knowledge that we have, and they are also sometimes they tend to see, acha, this thing is working for my other clients and everything, that you should test this or that. That is the kind of work that I do. I don't work with somebody right now who is just going to, acha, main ads run kar dunga aapke liye, main ye kar dunga, main aapke liye this will do. That is not something that I am looking for. There are companies maybe who you can help, who are willing to pay you 20,000-30,000 at this point of time. But I will seriously advise you not to go that route from the start. Alright, what I advise you to do, I'll tell you. Alright, in a business people now have shown that this कि ऐसा हो गया कि this is only the most lucrative thing, that social media marketing is only the lucrative thing that you need to do, everybody has to be a Facebook expert. ऐसा नहीं है, right? A business has multiple elements, there are 10 elements which are working. The world is running after something that is already shiny. अच्छा ये marketing वाला में ना बहुत lucrative है, a lot of people looking for something, but the world knows, the clients that I know as a client, I know as somebody who I take on freelancers, that I know that out of 10 people telling that somebody is expert in Facebook ads, so called everything, ads and everything, उसमें एक बंदे को ही पता है सही से, ठीक है, उस एक बंदा को भी नहीं, I think out of 50 people 1 person knows सही से. The rest all I just discard. I get a lot of emails also that I want to work with you, this that. I know that you don't have that level, because if you have that level, people will directly come to you. No person that I work with literally came to us. They were so good at their jobs that I went to them, that I want to work with you. I want you guys to handle some of our things, all right? So apart from that, one thing is social media marketing का भूल जाओ, all right? There's so many other things also, so many other elements in an entire business. There are websites, there are video making, the graphic design, so many other things that you can also harness, all right? And why this is beneficial, I'll tell you. Because social media marketing and everything seems lucrative, but you have to understand that you are actually playing with somebody else's money. You're actually you're taking the risk is on your head now. And अगर नाम खराब होता है ना, तो बहुत ज़्यादा नाम खराब होता है. I had a recent conversation with one of our students and he was like, मैं social media marketing में क्या है, मैं उसको ले आऊँगा किसी को, I'll just start running ads for them, this that. It's not that easy, and if you are ethical enough, you should not do that. If you don't have information, if you knowledge of running ads, you have not handled lakhs of rupees in ads, you should not, वो तो आएगा ही नहीं आपके पास. But then again, अगर नहीं है तो you should not take the risk. Alright, नाम बहुत खराब होता है उससे, and people can literally sue you, ऐसा, ठीक है. I have seen US में ऐसा हुआ है बहुत, मतलब ऐसा, don't do that, ठीक है. Rather I'll ask you to think in this perspective कि there are so many things. Let's say अगर Shopify का भी है, let's say somebody e-commerce का भी है, what other elements that you can target, what other elements you can target, जैसे कि store setup हो गया. People are willing to pay 30, 40,000, 50,000 for a good store. अगर if you have the basic skills and you have a own custom theme बना सकते हो और कहीं से ला सकते हो, खुद स्टोर्स बना सकता है, you can 50,000, 35,000, 50,000 people are willing to pay. And कितना टाइम लगता है स्टोर बनाने में? 2 दिन, 2 days, 3 days. Alright, that is one skill that you can acquire. Basic creating good ad copies, not even ads, ad copies. Some product है किसी का, just you can able to create something that looks good on the ad. If you're able to go graphic design का skill भी if you can acquire, that is a very good skill to have. Good video ads. There's so many platforms which are able to readily create ads now. Good video ads you are able to create. That is a very important skill that you can have. There are so many other elements now. All right. One more thing that is a fact that you need to understand is that in this world, 80% of the freelancers that there are subpar actually. They're just there for a quick buck. ऐसा कि मैं कुछ करके ऐसा मैं यहाँ से लोगो चोरी कर दूंगा, वहाँ को लोगो दे दूंगा किसी को. This is drop servicing types model में चल रहे हैं ऐसा, ठीक है. 20% of the freelancers are actually good, and 20% of the freelancers which are good in this world are actually making the big bucks. All right, I'll tell you, 20% of the freelancers are making 80% of the money in the entire freelance gig का दुनिया में. सच में ये. All right, so if you want to succeed in this freelancing line, you have to be good at, तुम्हारा USP होना चाहिए, तुम्हारा एक स्टाइल होना चाहिए कोई भी चीज़ का. जैसे you're creating a website, ये मेरा स्टाइल है, this is a unique thing that I do. If you're creating Shopify store, this is the kind of stores that I can create. You're creating designs, and if you're creating ad copies and everything, this is the style. And you go and see on Fiverr, Upwork, कितना line of skill है. Something will be something that interests you. Put in 6 months, put in 3 months, understand, समझो, सीखो, उस स्किल को सीखो, acquire करो, then start. Alright, then how will you acquire the clients? That is the first level of question that यार ठीक है मैं स्किल तो सीख लिया, सारा चीज़ हो गया, अभी मैं किसी को, मेरे पास एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, I have not given results to them, but मेरे पास आएगा कैसे? I'll tell you how I did it so that you have a good perspective. Alright, most of you have seen the other videos, you know that I started with Kindle. Alright, so when I started with Kindle, I understood the one factor that books are good, books sell well and everything, but cover is everything. Alright, cover is like 80% of the decision a customer takes. Books तो पढ़ता है preface, 80% में नहीं, 50%, 60% of the decision that somebody takes is based on a lucrative cover of a Kindle book. Alright, so books का cover was significantly important, and I already had created 60-70 books. मैं बना चुका था खुद का and everything. Though I understood the element, and we were selling really good. Alright, we were selling really good, so I understood that element. There's a lot of good books, much better than our books that we didn't have very good covers. All right, and the content was really nice and everything. I mean, I'm telling you, in fiction genre mein, a lot of good books were there. All right, so what I did was very simple thing. I went to Goodreads, I saw which books were getting good reviews, like good reviews, but not having as good as cover based on my judgment. All right, so I approached them and I created covers for them. All right, that increased their sales by 20%, 25%. ऐसा ठीक है. First, I never charged money for them. By the way, this was my hobby of mine. This was creating designs, creating new things for somebody was a hobby of mine. I just did everything for free. Everything for free. Try to understand the word free. If you're good at something, try to give value for free first, and people will then start paying you. तुम्हें बोलेंगे कि bro तू मत कर मेरे लिए फ्री में, मैं तुझे पैसा दूंगा. Alright, I have worked with somebody जिसका पहला book I did cover 20-25 increase हुआ. Then they personally messaged us, personally emailed me, that guy, that I have 4 other books. These are very good books. So they were willing to spend $100, $200, $300 even for a cover. Alright, and they didn't want to go to 99 designs and everything. They approached me because I gave them a very good cover at the first instant itself. That ki acha ye karo, and these are the 3-4 covers that we're going to do. We are going to give you $250 per cover. All right, personally आके बोले. Then they approached other people also. They told that this guy is there, cover करा. ठीक है. That is how you learn. फ्री में ऑफर करो सर्विसेज. सबको जाके आपको कोई पहचानता नहीं होगा तो कोई पैसा नहीं देगा आपको एट स्टार्ट में. ठीक है, मेरे को भी कोई पहचानता नहीं था स्टार्ट में. पीपल नाउ क्लाइंट्स कम टू अस बिकॉज दे नो इस सर्कल में वी आर गेटिंग रिजल्ट्स. सो मेनी क्लाइंट्स आई ओनली वर्क ऑन रेफरल बेसिस. तो माई क्लाइंट्स टेल अदर क्लाइंट्स कि ऐसा संकल्प है, समबडी है डूइंग गुड सर्विसेज, एवरीथिंग, दे आर गेटिंग गुड रिजल्ट्स फॉर देम. आई वर्क विद, चलो जो भी है, दैट्स व्हाट. दैट इज हाउ योर नेम ग्रोज. दैट इज हाउ यू वर्क विद, स्टार्ट्स वर्किंग विद समबडी, स्टार्ट वर्किंग विद अदर पीपल ऑल्सो. ऑलराइट, सो वो वाला फोकस करो. फ्रीलांसिंग गिग पे जा रहे हो मतलब यू हैव टू डू गुड सर्विसेज, गुड वैल्यू यू प्रोवाइड एंड गुड. And initially clients नहीं आता है सर. You just give something for free. Try to approach them that this is, sir, you are doing this, I would like to offer this for free. If you like it, you can keep it. If not, no harm no foul. उससे ही तुम सोशल स्किल्स इंक्रीज होगा, तुम्हारा खुद का वो स्किल इंक्रीज होगा उस चीज़ में, एंड दैट इज हाउ यू डेवलप. ऑलराइट, ऑल द थिंग्स दैट आई टोल्ड यू, इट डजंट सीम ईजी, राइट, एंड इट इज नॉट ईजी फ्रैंकली. हर एक चीज़ का थोड़ा पाथ रहता है. एवरीबडी टेक्स टाइम. थोड़ा इफ यू आर विलिंग टू टेक टाइम, पुट इट इन, तो इसमें करो, बढ़िया है. ऑलराइट, अदर प्रोसेस नाउ द फ्रीलांसिंग वाला सारा चीज़ हुआ ना. सेकंड थिंग इज स्टार्टिंग योर ओन बिजनेस. ऑलराइट, I told you I had a balance between two things. How I did was I learned everything from scratch. Alright, started from the business process. I started from business. सारा चीज़ मैं खुद से करते गया. तो every step of the way in this e-commerce thing, every step of the way I started gaining skills, because e-commerce में there are so many skills that you need to have. Alright, you have to have a good skill. If you're not willing to pay somebody, because we didn't have the budget to start with. Alright, if you're not willing to pay, you have to create the store by yourself, you have to create the designs by yourself, you have to do the research by yourself, you have to do the ad research by yourself, you have to create the ad copies by yourself, you have to run ads together. तो 7 to 8 skills है उसमें total. ठीक है, even if you break these 7 skills, 8 skills into gigs, into services that you can do, people are willing to pay for that as well. I get messages even today that people are willing to pay us 50, 60, 70,000 rupees for creating their own store, just like us. We don't have the time to do that. Alright, we don't have the time to do that, because I always tell them that yes, don't spend. I'm a good guy, ऐसा ठीक है. I tell them don't spend 70,000-80,000 on this. You can actually do it yourself. Try it out. तो सीखोगे भी तुम खुद से ऐसा, ठीक है. बिकॉज स्टार्ट में इतना कुछ खर्च करने की जरूरत नहीं है. तुम करो. इफ स्टार्टिंग आउट, ऐसे लोग का बजट रहता है ₹1,00,000, they are willing to spend 70,000 on the store. कोई पॉइंट नहीं है. I tell you, use a free theme. Use a start with the store basic themes का you take the, हम लोग कोर्स में दिया है स्टेप बाय स्टेप कैसा स्टेप करना. You can find it on YouTube also. पूरा स्टेप बाय स्टेप दिया है कैसा Shopify का स्टोर बनाना. You can do it. In my way is given in the course. So many ways are given in the YouTube videos also. तो you can learn. कुछ भी तो लर्न कर सकते हो सारा चीज़, ठीक है. तो कोई इशू नहीं. तो बिजनेस का बेनिफिट वही है, बट यू कैन डूइंग इट योरसेल्फ ना. तो वहाँ पर रिस्क तुम पे आता है. यू आर डूइंग इट एवरीथिंग ऑन योरसेल्फ, एक्सपेरिमेंट एवरीथिंग ऑन योरसेल्फ, एंड उसका भी बेनिफिट है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. बट द फंडामेंटल ऑफ थिंग यहाँ पे आ जाता है इज दैट इफ यू स्टार्ट फ्रीलांसिंग का कोई इशू नहीं, सब चीज़ करो, बढ़िया है. मेरा कभी लाइनअप था ही नहीं कि फ्रीलांसिंग में ही मुझे अटक के रहना है. इट्स गुड. सम पीपल डू इट ऑल द लाइफ. इट्स अमेजिंग. इफ यू आर विलिंग टू वर्क फॉर समबडी, इफ यू कंफर्टेबल विद दैट. डॉलर्स में आ रहा है $1,500, $2,000. समबडी इज पेइंग, यू हैव 4 to 5 क्लाइंट, $10,000 हो रहा है. यू आर हैप्पी विद इट. गुड फॉर यू, ठीक है. माई लॉजिक वॉज आई डोंट लाइक टू बी आंसरेबल टू समबडी. I never wanted to be dependent on somebody, to answerable to somebody, to entire my tension उसमें जाएगा कि मैं इस पे answerable हूँ, उसको answerable. My decision was always like to be chill, or to be chill, to create something that is automated, something that is, I work like working on my own brand. So यहाँ पे क्या है fundamentally that print on demand. Why I say print on demand is the best model to start with? Because वहाँ पे you're learning so many skills, you're learning so many things together ना. यहाँ पे इतना सारा चीज सीख जा रहे हो एक साथ में that you are able to expand into any business that you like. Alright, हम लोग का ये ब्रांड है, वो भी ब्रांड है, इतना सारा डिफरेंट थिंग दैट आई एम वर्किंग ऑन अ न्यू स्टार्टअप राइट नाउ. तो उसमें भी दैट स्किल नॉट अपैरल में नहीं है बट सम अदर स्किल में है, बट इट इज ऑलमोस्ट अलाइंड. तो एनी बिजनेस इज दैट वंस यू आर एबल टू क्रिएट अ प्रॉफिटेबल बिजनेस, वी आर सोल्ड ऑफ, हम लोग एग्जिट ले चुके हैं, जैसे हम लोग अब कितना परसेंट एग्जिट ले चुके हैं फॉर अ बिग ब्रांड हम लोग दे चुके हैं. तो यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दैट हाउ टू एक्सपैंड दैट बिजनेस, हाउ टू लर्न, हाउ टू स्केल अप, देन हाउ टू सेल इट ऑफ, देन यू कैन एक्चुअली क्रिएट न्यू अदर बिजनेस बना सकते हो. ठीक है, तो बिजनेस क्रिएट करना इज ऑलवेज अ गुड स्किल टू हैव. इट मे टेक टाइम, इट मे टेक लॉट ऑफ एंड्योरेंस, इट मे टेक लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस एंड टेंशन, बट वंस यू आर एबल टू क्रिएट समथिंग दैट इज ऑफ वैल्यू, क्रिएट समथिंग दैट इज you are close to your heart, create something that is good and people actually see value in it and you're able to sell it off, probably your brand is sell कर सकते हो, ऐसा सब चीज कर चुके हो, then you're able to replicate new businesses, new ideas, new things that you see. अच्छा ये चल रहा है, ट्रेंड चल रहा है, यहाँ पे जो चल रहा है उसका तुम्हारा वर्जन कैसे बनाएंगे, इंडिया में कैसे सेल करेंगे, कैसे नहीं करेंगे. तो everything that you learn, alright, so that these two are both different routes and you can always be like us, and there's so many people just like us who started with freelancing, small gigs, small their businesses start में दोनों चीज also you can keep on balance. Both routes are good, but if you're going, it's all depending on budget. It all depends upon what passion you have towards. You want to work for you or yourself, or you want to work for somebody else and get good money also. Freelancing and nothing else freelancing. I have deep respect for freelancers. I have so many freelancers that are working for me. They also earn really well and everything. तो freelancing अगर you want to be लोकेशन इंडिपेंडेंट, मुझे काम करना है, मैं जाके बाली में बैठ के काम करूंगा, बालू में हाँ सर्फिंग करूंगा, एंड आई जस्ट हैव वर्क फॉर समबडी 3-4 hours, दिस इज अ गुड लाइफ दैट यू वांट, तो वो भी बढ़िया राउट है. मेरा ऑलवेज पैशन वाज ऑब्वियसली क्रिएटिंग समथिंग, बनाना खुद का एवरीथिंग, दैट इज व्हाई आई फोकस्ड ऑन दैट. इसीलिए मेरे को ये मजा आता है. ठीक है, तो आई होप आई आंसर्ड ऑल दैट क्वेश्चन, आई होप आई आंसर्ड ऑल दिस क्वेश्चन दैट आई हैव बीन गेटिंग, एंड होपफुली आई बाय एंड ऑफ दिस यू हैव थोड़ा आइडिया हो गया होगा कि मतलब व्हाट यू वांट टू डू एंड व्हाट नॉट यू वांट टू डू. अगर है डाउट कोई इशू है तो कमेंट बिलो, आई आंसर दोस क्वेश्चंस प्रोबेबली वेरी फास्ट वेरी सून. ऑलराइट, एंड या, एंड होपफुली यू आर स्टेइंग सेफ, होपफुली योर फैमिली इज डूइंग वेल एंड एवरीथिंग. इफ नॉट, जस्ट आई हैव pray to God, and I have all warm wishes to everybody who is fighting this difficult times. Stay home, create new things, do good work. You have a lot of time in your hand, don't waste it. This time is changing and टाइम्स आर रियली चेंजिंग. और फ्रीलांसिंग वाला मार्केट बढ़ चुका है, फट चुका है एकदम. ठीक है, बहुत रिक्वायरमेंट है, तो इफ यू डूइंग फ्रीलांसिंग वाला सही है, इफ यू डूइंग बिजनेस ऑल्सो बहुत सही है. ठीक है, तो एवरीथिंग स्टे सेफ, स्टे होम एंड बी गुड. ऑलराइट, एंड या, दैट्स अबाउट इट. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.